Dear students, today I am going to discuss the previous NEET question between the years 22-25 under the unit D block and F block elements. Vetri welcomes you all. NEET original question papers discussed by Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry. So what you are seeing is the periodic table. Kindly follow. This is the periodic table, long form of periodic table. Here, totally there are 18 groups and 7 periods. And under the 6th and 7th period, there is expansion. It is given below. That is, just to see here, barium. Atomic number 56, that is 56. Atomic number, barium is 56, lanthanum. Lanthanum, it is 60, that is, it is 57. So, after some 57, the next is osmium 72 only. So, the remaining elements is given below as F block elements, starting from cerium. So, these will call it as F block element. So, this is D block elements. All transition elements are D block elements. All F block elements are inner transition elements. So, first is lanthanides. The second, after actinium, is coming is the actinides. So, according to IIT syllabus, students are advised to memorize up to the atomic number 30. But according to me, so students should memorize first group, second group, and then 13th, 14th, 15th, that is all P block elements. They have to memorize. And the first transition series, starting from scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, 30. So if they remember, they can do wonder in answering NEET or IIT questions. Okay. With these informations, let me go now. Here, this is the F block element, that is P block, the D block element, and below is the F block element. So let me go now, question number 1. The IUPAC name of an element with atomic number 119 is asked in the NEET 22. So when a new element is discovered, before giving a proper name, the IUPAC method is there. So according to this, 119, how we will call? Option 1, unium. 2, actium. 3, ennium. 4, nil ennium. So the important information is, what is un? Un means that is 1. Nil means 0. Like that, we have to. So, there are 4 options are given. Kindly follow. Now, I will give here a list of all 110 to 119 I am giving here. 110, nelium. 111, unium. 112, bium. 113, trium. And 114, quadium. 115, pentium. 116, axiom. 117, septium. 118 un actium. 119 un ennium. So, in the answer, correct answer is un ennium is the correct answer. Kindly follow. So, it is 3 is the correct answer. I hope you can understand very easily. The next question. This is the most important. This is simply memorized. From the memory, this question is asked. Asked in the NEET 22. NEET 22, this question is asked. Match the list 1 with the list 2. List 1 or list 2 composition. Its formula. A. Hematite 1. Fe3O4. B. Magnetite 2. Zinc carbonate. C. Calamine 3. Fe2O3. 4. The D. Colonite 4. Al2OH4 Si2O5. So what is the correct answer? So the interesting information is you have to memorize the important words of that. The idea here it is a probable answer may be 4. How I am suggesting 4? Because hematite, very, very easily we can understand it is iron ore. Then B1, magnetite, is again iron ore. C, calamine, is again zinc carbonate, is the 10 CO3. The only remaining is D4. See, kindly follow now. The easy idea. So only memory based questions. So correct answer is 4, maybe 4. So let me verify from the answer given here. Yes, answer is correct. 4 is correct answer. So this is simply given in the ore. For as per the syllabus, what are the compound is given for preparation, synthesize, the corresponding ore you have to memorize. Okay. Next question 3. Question number 3. That is, which of the following statements are incorrect? Please follow. Incorrect. Asked in NEET 23. NEET 23. Now let me read one by one. Then we have to find out. The options are given below. A. All the tangent elements except scandium form MO oxides, which are ionic. Except scandium. B. The highest oxidation number corresponding to group number in transition metal oxide is attained in Sc2O3 to Mn2O7. B. C. Basic character increases from V2O3 to V2O4 to V2O5. D. V2O4 dissolves in acids to give V4 minus salts. E. CRO is basic but Cr2O3 is amphoteric. Kindly follow. Incorrect we have to. You do carefully which is incorrect. All the transition metal except scandium form MO oxide, which is correct. Which is correct. So the next one, the highest oxidation number corresponding to the group number in transition metal oxide is attained to scandium to manganese. It is wrong. Incorrect. It is incorrect. Because there is another one called osmium tetroxide. Oxidation number is +8. The maximum oxidation number. So B is incorrect. So C, D and E all are correct. So let us see now, verify. The answer is C and then C and one more. Kindly follow. C and D also incorrect. C is the, wait a minute. Answer 3. Option given 3. Option given here. Option A, B and D. Option 2, C and D. Option 3, B and C. Option 4, A and E. Already we identified this is wrong. That is, the correct answer is, kindly follow, the C and D are the correct answer. C and D are correct answer, which are incorrect. So this we have already identified. That is C, basic character increases. No. Oxygen increases, acidic character increases. So say this is wrong. And D, V2O4 dissolves in acetic UO4. No, it is wrong. So the correct answer is C and D. The question number 4. Among the elements, which one does not show -2 oxidation state? Ask NEET 24. Oxidation state, it will be either plus or minus. Metal means it will be always positive. Non-metal, it will be negative. Sometimes even in metal case, there will be negative. So for that, question is, among the elements, which one does not show -2 oxidation? So here, all the 4 elements, here I am giving the oxidation state. So for oxygen, -2, -1, +1, +2. Iron, +1, +2, +3. Tellurium, -2, +2, +4 and +6. And selenium, -2, +2, +4 and +6. What is the question? Which is not having -2. So this is having -2 oxygen. This is having -2 oxygen. This is having -2 oxygen. So only answer is, this is the correct one. That is, number 2 is the correct answer. Okay, next question. See, correct answer is 2, iron. Question number 5. Listen me. Spin only magnetic moment is same for which of the following ions? Unfortunately, they have not given the electronic configuration. They have to give electronic configuration. This is asked in NEET 24. Okay. But why they have not given? Because according to the IIT, the students are memorized scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So, in all these elements are given in this, so they have not given the electronic configuration. So, titanium 3+, they are given. So, let me give first one. Atomic number I will give now. Potassium, calcium, scandium, potassium, calcium, that is 20, this is 1, so 21. So this one, D1, this is D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, 3D, D8, D9 and D10. So only here, just see here in the chromium, one exceptional case. In the copper, one exceptional case. Because the most stable chromium is D5S1. Same way in copper, D10S1. 3D10, 4S1. Same way 3D5, 4S1. So now it is given now. Let me come back now. Titanium 3 plus means. So what is the question you first find out? Spin only magnetic moment is same. Total number of, and that is spin only magnetic moment. Magnetic moment depends upon the number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons. Among the 5, there will be 2 elements will have same. So let me find out that one. Choose the correct appropriate answer from the option given. A and E only, B and C only, A and D only, B and D only. Kindly follow. Simply if you look into this, you will be getting confused. So as I already informed you, so now you have to write as follows. Kindly follow. Titanium 3 plus, 1 unpaired electron. Chromium 2 plus, 4 unpaired. Manganese 5, 2 plus. Fe 2 plus, 4. Scandium is 0. So these two having same. So answer chromium and iron 2 plus, it is the correct answer, because based on this spin only magnetic moment is equal to square root of n into n plus 2 pm. So chromium 2 plus and Fe2 plus will have same spin only magnetic moment. Kindly follow. So answer is B and D. B and D. B and D. They have only 4 unpaired electrons. Kindly follow. Next question. Number 6. This is asked under the lanthanoid. Question asked in the year NEET 24. The pair of lanthanoid ions which are diamagnetic is. Diamagnetic is. Kindly follow. What is meant by diamagnetic? What is meant by paramagnetic? When the element it is having unpaired electron is present, it is paramagnetic. Paired electron is present, it is diamagnetic. Then highly paramagnetic, it is ferromagnetic. Options are given. The pair 2 lanthanoid ion which are diamagnetic. Cerium 3 plus, eurotropium 2 plus. Gadolinium 3 plus, eurotropiums. Promethium and smartium. Cerium and the yttrium. So here options are given. Unfortunately, they have not given configuration, electronic configuration. They must give the electronic configuration. So now I am giving electronic configuration. Now you can easily understand clearly. See here, cerium is that 58. So this is the way. So C4 is 0. So 6s2, 4f2, total 4 electrons, C plus 0. Then next PM, Z equal to 61 atomic number. The within bracket, that is xenon, 4f5, 6s2. So PM 3 plus means 2 plus 3, 1. So number 4 is the unpaired electron. Then Sm 62 atomic number, xenon, the common element, inside electronic configuration, inner electronic configuration equivalent to 4f6, 6s2. So 3 plus, so this is 5. 4f5, this is. The next one, eurotropium, that is 63, xenon, inner electronic configuration, 4f7, 6s2. So 2 plus, so this 2 goes, So F7, 7. And there is a gadolinium 64, xenon inner configuration, 4F7, 5D1, 6S2. So 3 plus 2 and 1 is gone, 4F plus. It is half filled, 4F, half filled, more stable. Lastly, YB, that atomic number 70, xenon inner configuration, 4F14, 6S2, 2 plus 4F is more stable. So here, these two are diamagnetic. Which is paramagnetic. And just see here, this is diamagnetic. 0. So CE 4 plus and YB 2 plus will be the correct answer. In all other cases, there is an electron is there, so spin magnetic moment will be there. So option now C, this is the correct answer. I hope I have completed. So we will see in the next class the questions asked in NEET under the coordination compounds. See you. Bye-bye. Dr. Gunasekharan. Thank you.